Ooh.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do?
Hey fairies, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be doing my braid takedown today, and I am so nervous because this is for real my first time getting like individual knotless braids. I'm also going to be doing a wash. I'm going to be doing my protein bonding treatment. Y'all have been wanting me to do that video for some time, showing y'all how I'm growing my hair. So let's get right into it. I have it up in a little bunny right now. Let me just get the hairs that I'm gonna work on. I'm already assuming that this is about to take me at least like a couple hours. I'm assuming like maybe 3 hours, but hopefully, you know, it don't end up really taking that long for real. The main two I'm like really nervous about are these two, because when I saw it like slightly pulling, I'm like, oh girl, I'm about to have like no hair in the front. But I don't know, we gonna see. I might be surprised, so we're gonna see what the hell this is looking like. So let me take out these two, and it's the fact that my hair is not my hair, but my scalp is still sore like till this day, and this is 2.5 weeks later. It's not even the fact that like it's sore because she braided my hair super tight. I think I just have a very sensitive scalp now, so you know, I just be real nervous sometimes. Get my scissors. My hair is not super long, like y'all have seen where my hair stops for real, so I'm gonna just play it safe and just like do it down here. Like I doubt my hair is that long braided. The easiest thing to take out your braids with is definitely using the end of a rat tule comb and just start to pick out the braid. Oh my gosh, this is definitely gonna take me hours, man. Like, day is gone. Whatever errands I had to do, it's gonna have to be pushed to tomorrow, because girl, I'm about to be here until like 8 o'clock. Bruh, like I am struggling to get this part out. I feel like I can see where my hair is now, like within the braid. Maybe not. Like I'm assuming that, hold up girl. I'm assuming that this is my hair. Yo, I'm struggling. Let me just top this off because I'm sick of these ends. Ooh, hold on. I don't think my hair was, come on, it ain't that long. I don't think that was my hair. Hold on. Oh man, moment of truth. Oh, let me just do this. Oh my gosh. Oh, maybe my hair was that long, y'all. Oh shit. Oh my gosh, please don't tell me I cut my hair. Oh fuck. Did I cut my hair? Oh, okay. One thing I am not gonna do, I'm not about to sit here and comb this out, you know. I have a pre-poo that I'm gonna be putting in my hair. I'm gonna use that to comb out my hair instead of just combing it out dry, because I have not combed my hair in 2 weeks and I don't want to pull out any hair that I really don't need to. So I'm about to do this one. I'm definitely probably gonna cut this shorter because I did not need to do all that. Let me just see what's happening here. Okay, so I'm probably just gonna cut it here. It's just the fact that like the front, like this is so sore. Like my scalp, I can feel all this doing this, and it just feels like so heavy. I just think moving forward, I'ma just get cornrow styles, you know what I mean? Like that to me just is a little bit better. Okay, we still got hair on our head at this moment, you know. I'm having hope. Okay, so I'm probably gonna do one last one before I start to just zoom this up, because y'all don't really need to see like this whole entire thing. Y'all saw like my method of like how I'm take it out. So this about to be a pretty lengthy video as is, and I ain't trying to make it too long if it doesn't have to be. So let me see my little piece. Okay, so another good one. Edges are still here. Okay, I have a lot of hope right now. I am not getting as scared because every single time I take each braid out, I don't see any hair falling out, like, at all. Yeah, let's do this process. I already know it's about to take like 3 hours, but maybe it won't. Okay, maybe it won't. So let's get into it. Okay, so I completely played myself because I'm sitting here thinking it's about to take 3 hours and it ended up taking 9.5 hours in total, including my wash routine, and I was over it. Will I get knotless braids again? Yes. Will I get them this small again? Absolutely not. But you know, I felt like the style was definitely worth it. It was real cute in my last video. Make sure you actually go and check that video out. Bora Braids did my hair. She's located in Newark, New Jersey. But yeah, y'all, I was taking these out for forever and I'm just like, oh my gosh. But the thing is, I was not seeing a lot of my hair coming out, so that is a positive. And I was like, okay, you know, my hair is not ripped out. And if you guys did not know, Bora actually specializes in fine, thin hair, so she did not disappoint whatsoever. So here is a pre-poo. I have actually used this before. This is not my first time using it. I wanted to put this in first because I knew I was detangling my hair. This is just going to add that moisture to my hair so that the points where it has the knots, it literally ended up just slipping right out. That could be because of my hair texture. I do have 3C for a hair, but listen, regardless of the texture, it just really helped detangle my hair and it just helped me get all of the knots out of my hair. So this is a hair that I ended up combing out. I don't think it's anything crazy, and I also show y'all what it looks like next to a cotton ball. I feel like in total it's probably like 3 cotton balls worth of hair that came out. I don't think that that's a lot because my hair still felt really full and thick even with me combing out that amount of hair. So I was happy regardless. So here is the bonding treatment that has literally saved my hair, y'all. I use this product once a month. You're only supposed to use it every 2 to 4 washes depending on your hair porosity, and I have low porosity hair, so I like to put this all throughout my hair and let it sit for about an hour. And I'm telling y'all, if you have dry hair, if you have brittle hair, if you have fine hair, if you have just taken out a protective style, or you're experiencing shedding and split ends, please try a protein treatment, the Curlsmith in particular. And no, this is not a sponsored video. This will save your hair. I'm telling you, go and get it. Don't ask no questions. So after I let that protein treatment sit in for 1 hour, did my shampoo and conditioning routine and went to sleep, okay, because I was tired. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. Honestly, I have to say I am highly impressed right now. I was getting so nervous. Y'all could see it in my face because I just did not know how my hair was going to do taking the braids out, and I am just honestly like, whoa. It could be for multiple things, right? It could be because I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing as far as taking the right stuff to grow my hair back. It could be because I'm just doing a really good job maintaining my hair, not really pulling it so much, not really like messing in it as much as I used to. I'm not bleaching it, I'm not dyeing it, I'm not doing, well, I am technically dyeing it, but it's a natural color. Like, it's just a jet black color, so it could just be like a mixture of multiple things. But I am just so happy with all the growth, okay? Like, it's nice and full. I have super thick edges. Let me do a close-up and like a 360 for y'all to see. This is like the fullest I have ever seen my edges ever in my entire life. Don't get it wrong, I've always had thin hair. Like, that's always been my problem. I just had that type of hair type, period, since I was born. This is literally the thickest my hair has ever been, especially like on the nape of my hair, because that's usually when I have like a different texture. But as of lately, my hair pretty much is the same texture all around, and this is so new for me. As far as like my takedown routine, I do that same exact routine that y'all saw as far as the bonding treatment, the shampoo, and deep conditioner. I do that method every month. If I'm washing my hair throughout the week, I will most likely do a co-wash. If y'all want to see like my bi-weekly, weekly co-wash routine, let me know in the comments down below. The bonding treatment is literally like chef's kiss. That is like the start of the show. This joint right here is something else. Okay, this has literally saved my hair. Using Curlsmith in general has changed my hair. That's why I'm saying I feel like my hair texture has completely changed since I started using this company's products. My favorite in particular is the Strength Recipe line. It's the purple line, and I love it because they have protein in those products. This has been my savior because my hair can tend to get super weak, right? It'll be super strong for like a good 2 to 3 weeks. I'll be like on top, right? Once I start having PCOS flare-ups, which is pretty sporadic, I never know when they're gonna come. I know I need to just start doing my decaffeinated black tea, eating certain things in my diet. I need to bring in my protein treatments for my hair. I just pretty much know what is happening when it comes to that time. So, and my hair pretty much just always bounces right back like brand new. So I did want to show y'all the vitamins that I was talking about. I told you guys in the beginning that I take zinc and folic acid. So here they are right here. I actually need to go and get some more of the folic acid. I am running out, but I've had this for like 3 months at this point, maybe even 4. That's what I do like about a lot of these vitamins. I have a crap ton of vitamins, not even gonna lie. I probably have like over 15 vitamins that I take daily. A lot of these vitamins you only have to buy like once every 3 to 2 months. So this is the folic acid. I take 800 milligrams and they come in 250 tablets. So the last one is the zinc. This is zinc carnosine, and it's just multi things that's in this vitamin besides zinc. So listen, y'all, if y'all are a starter to PCOS and your PCOS journey, and you are curious as far as some things you can take as far as growing your hair back a lot thicker, because I'm telling you right now, the first thing I'm pretty sure a lot of these doctors are going to recommend is for you to take birth control and metformin. And that metformin, honey, is going to make your head shed like crazy. You're pretty much going to develop alopecia taking metformin. I'm just letting y'all know that right now. So once that happened to me, I said, oh no, girl, we are stopping this the ASAP, because this is not happening. Absolutely not. So I'm pretty much done with explaining everything. I'm going to come back as far as how I'm about to do my hair. I'm about to install some clip-ins, and if you guys are interested in that video, it most likely will be my next one right after this one. Let me do my hair real quick and then I'll be back. Okay, so I went ahead and did my clip-in style. I did like a little makeshift claw clip type of look. If you guys are interested in this style, most likely the video will be up right after this one. I'm pretty sure I'm going to post this video first and then post the claw clip one after. But yeah, today went really well. I got to take out my braids, wash my hair, and was able to have some sigh of relief because my hair did not fall out and my edges are still here. Okay, my hair is still thick, and I am so happy because I was so nervous from the beginning of the video. But that is pretty much it. Like I said, this video for this hair will be up right after this one, maybe 2 to 3 days later, I don't know. But as always, let me know in the comment section how y'all felt about this video, and as always, can't wait to see you guys in my next one, and bye guys.